I was sent this 2-pack of bug zappers for my review, and if you have never tried one of these, you are honestly missing out. So I live in the Caribbean and I grew up with these, and they are so awesome. Actually, this is one of the nicer ones I have actually ever used. This one is a lot smaller and more compact, which I think is really great. It is easier to handle. Some of the ones I've used in the past have been really big and an awkward shape. So I'm loving this like circle that we have going on here. The nice thing about this is that there is this metal protection over the top. So if I turn it on, and this requires 2 AA batteries, which just go in the back, they are not included. And all you have to do is push this button right here on the side, and you know that it is on when the red light is on. Actually, let me bring this close to the mic. Check this out. So when it's not on, you can't hear anything. And then when it's on, you're hearing that buzzing noise, so you know that it is on, it is live, it is ready. But the nice thing is because you have that protection over, if I were to just put my hand on top, that is not going to do anything, right? Because, so again, if you accidentally, let's say you're going after some bugs and you accidentally hit your legs or something, you're not going to get shocked. So don't worry, you're fine. But basically what this does is the in-between there, this is going to cause an electrical spark once the fly or the mosquito, those pesky little bugs that are eating away at your ankles that drive us crazy, they go inside there and it's going to zap them and they're not going to be here anymore. Unfortunately, I'm usually surrounded by bugs and I wish I could kind of show you how to do it, but this is what I do. This is kind of like my motion and I run after them around the house. But just to show you that this is working, what you do is when it goes in here, check this. See, you've got that live spark going on in there. So that is going to basically zap that unwanted mosquito or fly, and then you're going to be good to go. Yeah, so really lightweight. It is kind of fun. I kind of feel like I'm playing some tennis or something like that. But the fact that it is also a 2-pack, I think this is awesome.